In Inmoconnect, portfolios are one of the best ways to present properties to your clients in a professional and organized way. Instead of sending multiple individual links, you can create one clean page with all the properties you want to show. Let's go through how to create and manage your portfolios step by step. First, go to the left menu and click on My Portfolio. This is where you can see all the portfolios you've created. To create a new portfolio, click on the orange button Create New Page in the top right corner. Give your portfolio a clear name. For example, Seaview Villas, once you've named the portfolio. Next, you can add a cover photo. Click on Add to add a cover image. A pop-up will open. You select the image and press on Upload. Now select all the properties you want to the portfolio page. Select all the properties you want to display in the portfolio. In the top above the properties, you can use the following options. Select all units. This will select all units. Search for a specific listing by using search listings and sort by to select in what order they are displayed. Save the portfolio by clicking on Create Portfolio Page. You will be taken back to the My Portfolio page. Here you will see the new portfolio. Open your portfolio by clicking the eye icon. Here you can see all the properties you've added. Take a moment to check if everything looks good and if the properties are perfect for your client. When your portfolio is ready, copy the link and send it to your client. They will be able to view all the properties in one clean and professional page. To edit the portfolio, click on the pen. This opens the Edit Portfolio page. Here you can update the portfolio. Once you updated everything, click on the Update Portfolio Page button. You get sent back to My Portfolio after. The last option is the Delete. Click on the bin to delete the portfolio.